Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Steam account. So open your web browser and go to the official Steam website, which is the store.steampowered.com. By the way, make sure that your connection is secure before continuing. So once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner and click on Login. Since we don't have an account yet, look for an option that says Create an account right here below the New to Steam. Click on it so we can start the registration process. Now, enter your email address on the email address field, then re-enter it again on the Confirm Your Address. Select your country of residence, then check the I am human CAPTCHA, after which confirm that you are 13 years old or older. Click on check. There we go. So after you agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement, click on continue. Steam will send you a verification email to the address that you entered on the email address. So open your email inbox and click verify my email button. Make sure you open the email using the same browser you signed up. Once your email is verified, you'll be asked to create your Steam account, name, and password. Choose a unique username and a strong password. Then confirm everything to finish creating your account. After your account is created, go back to the Steam website and click on Install Steam. There we go. Click on Install Steam to download the installer. Once downloaded, open the file, choose your language, and follow the on-screen steps to install Steam on your computer. Once installed, open the Steam app and log in using your new account. And just like that, you're ready to browse games, download free titles, add friends, and start playing. You can also explore features like your Steam library, community, and account settings. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.